Everybody, Jason R. Curry here with the Freedom Group of eXp Realty. We are talking about doing a for sale by owner on your personal property and getting a video done and uploading it to YouTube. You could also upload it to all the other social media, but YouTube is the first and most important out of all of them. So first we're going to go youtube.com. We're going to hit sign in, create account for myself. You could do a business, but then you have to do all this other extra stuff. So we're gonna do Jason Fizbo. We're gonna do one of my old email addresses that I don't use anymore, just so that you guys don't have my other stuff. Then create a password. Okay. Now they're gonna send a verification code to Yahoo. So you're gonna go through and you're just gonna make sure that you fill out all the information, the more information they want. Again, I'm just gonna use a bunch of fake stuff. Okay, we're gonna skip this. We don't need this portion. They're gonna basically want access to everything. You agree. All right, so now we're into YouTube. So pretty simple. We're gonna just create, upload video, get started. We're gonna use this name that you have. Channel description, 123 Main Street, Connecticut, and home for sale. Okay, so the more information you put in there, the better. So I would put my description in there anyway, since it's only your house. You're not covering multiple homes, so this makes it a little easier on that regard. So now down here, if you created a Facebook page, which we'll be covering in a later episode, you would put that address. That way they could tie into each other. Same thing if you wanted to add other stuff here. So we're just gonna do save and continue. Now we hit upload video. And this is a bunch of stuff we don't really need. So you can hit learn more, it doesn't really matter, but ultimately we're gonna get rid of that. So select file. Now, wherever you downloaded the file, it should be pretty straightforward. I'm just gonna use one of the houses that I have for sale and the video I have, so that way you could just see. It usually takes a couple minutes depending on what your speed is like. So again, in here you want to put the description. Amazing home. Okay, the biggest thing in here too is whatever your description is, it should also have the title in it. So for this one, it was like 61 Red Maple Court in Naugatuck, Connecticut. Is a stunning home, etc., etc. Okay, the reason why is when they do their searches on the internet and Google uses all these little scrapers to find all this information, it's looking for the information to be in the very beginning of it. So if you have in the beginning, it helps stand out. So now down here, you could change the thumbnail to whatever you want. So it is technically still uploading right now, so we're not able to change it, but you could actually upload a thumbnail. So basically a picture that you want to be the cover of it. You can make your own and put it in, or you could actually take a slide from the video. They will give you 3 options initially. You don't have a playlist because you don't have multiple stuff. It's not made for kids. Not that it's gonna hurt kids, but it's not made for kids, so they want that information because they make a lot of money on kids' videos. Down here, you want more information. This is where you put tags. This is how the search works. So, off the rip, we already have it as 61 Red Maple, and then you put it in and you hit enter. Now it's a tag. So also Naugatuck, Connecticut, Naugatuck. People are searching those. Naugatuck homes. Naugatuck real estate. If you have a home that you think is a first-time home buyer home, homes for first-time buyers, and so on and so forth. You want to really make sure you cover as many things as you could think about that people are searching for. This will help it so in all these search results be at the top of mind. Fill this in, go through it, think about it. Really think about the terms that you would use if you were searching for a home. And there's a bunch, and there's a lot of different ways to do it. So recording date, all this, that's no big deal. So then you just hit next, right? So we already, I would wait normally to make a different thumbnail. Thumbnails make it pop out more. So you definitely want to mess with that and make sure that you get the right one for your home. Not going to go too in depth. There's no reason to go into the depth of that. All this stuff right here is for elements for future photos and stuff like that. You don't need to do anything this is supposed to bring you to the next video online. At the end of this video, you will see what that looks like. Public. Absolutely, you want it to be public, and you could schedule it for whenever you want. Then you hit publish. Okay. Once then it's going to still process. It's going to take a little bit of time. When it's done processing, it will be up. And then you'll be able to take that link and put it onto other social media websites and help push it to more potential buyers. That is the key to this. You want to make sure that you are putting this in front of the most amount of people possible. And when you use your video to do this, more people will watch it. I hope this helped. I'm Jason R. Curry with the Freedom Group of eXp Realty. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.